Hello, paper weavers. You have already made, we've gone through this in class, you've made a paper loom, and this is what your paper loom should look like. It's a very strong yet delicate piece of paper. And what we're going to do with this is, there's a wide variety of things you're going to do. You're going to be taking 1/2-inch strips of paper, and you'll have these in the kit. You'll have a kit that you will go home with these strips of paper. You can choose your own paper to weave through. Here's something that I did just with the orange paper, and I took here's my loom here, my paper loom, and I went under 3, over 3, under 3, over 3, under 3, and then over, however, to the end. It was just a couple. And for the second row, I started, went over, I went under 3, over 3, under 3, over 3, and I just spaced it so that it created this kind of staircase-like pattern. And so it's a very, very strong piece of paper right now. The reason it's so strong is because I took some tracing paper like this, and I put the tracing paper over my weaving, and I took some glue with water, glue and water, and I have a foam brush like this, and I have another container with water, just cans that you have from tomato sauce or chicken stock at your house, soup, and I painted it on here, and I pressed it down, and I turned it over, and I put another piece of tracing paper here, and I pressed it down, and it makes this very, very strong piece of essentially bark. And one of the inspirations for this project is an 18th century container from the eastern United States, Native American container that's made from birch bark. And it's not woven, but it's carved, but it's constructed from a single piece of bark. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a single piece of paper like this that's very, very strong, because we've created a very, very strong paper, and we're going to cut a shape from it, and you guys will have templates that you'll use. A template is a paper pattern, as you all know. And so here's a similar weaving that was done with blue paper, and instead of going under 3 and over 3, I went under 2 and over 2, under 2, over 2, so it makes kind of a smaller, same pattern, but a smaller pattern. And I cut this out, and then I folded it up and put it together like this, and I put some clips on it just to hold it, but it's pretty sturdy. So here is a paper bowl that I've made from my paper weaving, and it actually will be very, very sturdy. So that's where we're going with this project, and you can make as many weavings as you like, try as many different patterns as you like, and enjoy yourselves and have fun.